how to get queued emails to send in Gmail. So here's what you want to do. Open up the Gmail app. Then you will click on the three lines in the top left corner and you will go into your outbox. Now, the email which is not being sent is going to be located here. And all you need to do is to scroll down until you see this refresh icon. And this is going to keep attempting to send the email. If you keep trying this, then 5 or 10 tries later, your email is going to be sent. If it still doesn't work, then we can go into our settings for our phone. And right here, I'm just going to search for iPhone storage. Click on iPhone storage. And we're just going to find or sort this by name. So we're going to find Gmail, click on it, offload the application. And after you offload the app, you will just press on reinstall right here. And that should fix the issue. I hope this helps. Leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you next time.